Okay, so what we're going to be doing is changing the 180 to a 225 plus a 45. So we got our pieces, but that also means we can't use the 270. So we'll change that over here too. Bastion's going to do another test run. Ready? Go. Wait. All right. Okay, so here's where you can see. We're going to save some space over here. And now we're going to be really close to this wall. And just based on our setup, we won't be able to shift the 270 over. So we're going to change that. But this should work. I gotta find another little clip. So all I had to do was take the clips off, move this guy, add this new piece, put the clips back in, connect the 45. I don't know if I want the extra 3 inches into it. I might take that off. That seemed fine though. Okay, we might leave it. Maybe. All right. Okay. So now we got this coming down. What do you got, Bastion? You got a lot there? Seems good.
Look, it crashed.
Yeah, it did crash. And that bright spot. It's really bright on the camera. It's kind of funny. Okay. So still need to find the clip. Stealing from the 270 probably. And then, you know what? What if we did, I don't know. All right, so we got a 225 into a 45, into a 225, into a 45. Come down to the bottom. They gotta get through that 90 still. You wanna try it? Try it. You wanna try them? Okay. Let's go. Oh, we got the tow truck in front. This will be interesting. Oh, that red one. It's not as fast as the blue one. That's okay. You got him?
I want this sound.
All right. Might do a little tweaking here, but I think this is what we're gonna go with for the week. Maybe, I don't know.